If you want to take advantage of spot trading, then this video is for you, because I'm going to show you how exactly you can take advantage of spot trading to another level. So without further ado, guys, let's get right into it without wasting any time. So I see a lot of people still trading on Luna and Valor Crypto Exchange, like local crypto exchange here in South Africa and all over the world. But in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can take advantage of spot trading 24/7 without getting liquidated and stuff like that, because this, what I'm going to show you in this video, works. You know what I mean? The platform that I've been using is OKX, and they've got a lot of coins that you guys can take advantage of, and I'm going to show you some secrets and strategies in this video that you can apply whenever you want to take advantage of spot trading. So without further ado, guys, let's get right into it without wasting any time. So of course, what you want to do is just to create an account. The link is going to be in the description below as well, and then you're going to go to Wall Street and Trade and click Wall Street and spot trading. As you can see, there's a bunch of coins that you can take advantage of, millions of coins that you guys can take advantage of, compared to, let's say, any crypto exchange like Valor or Luna Crypto Exchange do not have all these coins. Know what I mean? And moreover, you can simply, deposit using a bank account and stuff like that, or deposit crypto to take advantage of all these cryptocurrencies. Know what I mean? So once you find your account, of course, what you want to do is you want to go to Wall Street and Markets. And this is a trick that I've been using for the past few months, right? So you want to go to Wall Street 24-hour right here, and you're gonna go ahead and click Wall Street and change, because we wanna see coins that have gone down within 24 hours, right? So we're gonna go ahead and click change like this. All right, so you can see that right now it's showing us coins that have pumped the most within 24 hours, and number one being Part, and it has gone up by 11%. And what I want to do is want to click and you want to see coins that have lost value. So for example, right here you can see that this coin called RE has gone down by 12%. All right, and these are the coins that we have to pay attention to, and so that we can take advantage of them when the price starts to go up. And of course, I'm going to show you at the end of this video an indicator that I use to find opportunities and best entries and stuff like that. Know what I mean? So right here you can see that there's a bunch of coins, and of course we don't just really select the random coins. We wanna take advantage of popular coins. Know what I mean? For example, CLO is one of the good coins that you can take advantage of. Of course, Comp is also one of them. Wild is also one of them. DYDX is also one of them. Know what I mean? There's a bunch of them. You can simply do your research right here, because this is simply spot trading, and you already know that with spot trading you do not get liquidated. You only take advantage of these coins when the price go up, and that's what you want in spot trading. So a good example that we're gonna use in this video, and let's select right here. For example, Silo is a good popular coin, is a good coin. Thetas again is also a good coin. Comp is also a good coin. So let's take a look at Comp, right? What Comp has done and stuff like that. So you can see that within 15 minutes, Comp was really just consolidating, slowly going down, and then right here it went down like crazy, right? And these are the moves that we wanna pay attention to. Let's move to 4 hour and see it clearly what's really happening, right? So you can see that this coin really hit like all-time low right now, right? If you take a look at this chart, you can see that right now is at the lowest. All right, and these are the opportunities, and this is how exactly we find these opportunities. If you wonder how this was by the dip and stuff like that, this is exactly how the dip is found. Know what I mean? So I'm gonna simply use a trading view chart right here. And of course, I'm still gonna show you the indicator that show me when to buy and when to sell and stuff like that, and finding good opportunities. All right, so right now you can see that this is the lowest. Of course, we can simply draw horizontal line right here. All right, you can see this is the dip that we got right now. All right, and of course you can simply expect maybe like 5% or 10%, depending when the move is going to happen, but it's going to be very, very soon and quick. All right, this is how exactly you can simply make like 20% with spot trading. It's simple like this. It's better than futures trading, because the spot trading probability of you to make money and make like 10%, 20% is very easy compared to futures trading. All right, so this is exactly how we spot the dip. We simply filter the markets and stuff like that and find the coins that went down the most, and then we take advantage of those coins. But then right now, if you are new in this crypto and you want to know when exactly can you be buying these coins and when exactly can you be selling these coins, then you have to use an indicator. So in this case, I use an indicator called heavycryptoarthur, and this indicator simply gives me signals of when exactly I have to be buying and when exactly I have to be selling. For example, if I turn on heavycrypto indicator right here, you can see that it's going to give me these signals, right? Buy and sell signals, exactly at the top. For example, you can see that this one, this signal came exactly at the top, and this was the time for me to sell. And this signal came exactly at the bottom, and this was the time for me to buy. Right? So you simply buy here, you sell here, you buy here. And if you didn't get the signal, don't do anything, just wait until you get the sell signal. For example, you can see that this one came right here and the market didn't really go up. Of course, it went up, but sell signal didn't come. And again, right here, another buy signal came, and then until right here when you got the sell signal, yeah, that's when you had to sell, right? And this is exactly how I apply signal strike indicator. So for example, we were looking at a comp, right? So let's search comp right here, comp to USDT. Let's go to comp to USDT. Of course, right, this is a comp to USD. So as you can see, we got the buy signal right here, and we had a bounce, and right now there's another candle printing, and this candle is also pushing to the upside, as you can see right there. And of course, you can also see the history of what has happened before. You can see that we had a buy signal right here, sell signal right there, buy signal right here, sell signal right there. So of course, if you apply the strategy that I showed you earlier in this video on OKX, you go to markets and then you filter the markets, you find the coins that went down within 24 hours, all right? And then that's how you find opportunities when the price go down. You don't find the opportunities when the price of Bitcoin skyrockets and stuff like that. You know what I mean? So once you spot the opportunities, of course, you can apply the indicator until you get the buy signal. For example, right now we got the buy signal. This is the time for me to go to OKX and then buy some coins. All right. Once you buy some coins, you wait until you get another sell signal, and once you get the sell signal, that's when you sell your coins, and then you simply make percentages like 16%. This move right here is 16% if the price of comp go back to 18 USD. All right, so that's how exactly we found these opportunities, guys, and I just wanted to make this quick video showing how exactly you can do this. And if you want signal strike indicator, of course, you can just click the link in the description below as well. This indicator is called signal strike. Right here, you can just click to the link in the description below as well and go to explore tools, or click explore tools right here, right? And you're gonna find it right here, and you're gonna find it right here. It's called signal strike indicator. Very good indicator. You can use it in futures trading or spot trading and stuff like that. So I'm gonna be making a lot of videos about spot trading and futures trading and all other strategies and ways to kill it in crypto and stuff like that. If you like this kind of videos, guys, leave a like button for YouTube algorithm, as you're really helping the channel as well. And before you trade, make sure you do your own research, because cryptocurrency is risky, and that's why we can always come up with these strategies to make sure that we are always profitable in crypto trading. And of course, we're always going to select random people in the comment section below to get free tools, trading tools on heavycryptouniversity.online for free right now in each and every video. So make sure you leave a comment, make sure you leave a like button for each algorithm. And therefore, guys, I'll see you in the video. Visit, love and peace, guys, and cheers, guys.